Competitiveness is important because it affects the long-term future of our dairy farming, and it means that if we are competitive, we will be profitable in the long run. The US are a competitive threat because part of their industry is now targeting the same markets as us, the same export markets. In China, they're diversifying their products to produce exactly the same products as us, milk powders. And they have got some very big farms and a farming system over there which is becoming very efficient. Well, in the States, the key trends was towards much bigger farms in the western states of the United States, and that these farms are very precisely managed and that they are reducing their costs of production closer to those of New Zealand. I think one thing we can learn is the way that they go about their business. We should learn from in New Zealand, their precise approach to management, their use of technology, their management skills. In terms of the way they do their farming, I believe that we should stick to our own ways of types of farms that we use. Well, they're driving waste out of their system, so they will be measuring very carefully how much milk each cow produces and whether she's making a profit or not based on the feed she eats. What it means for New Zealand dairy farmers is that our future is still bright. It's not doom and gloom by any means. It means that the US now is, yes, a competitor that we need to make sure that we keep on our game and improve our efficiencies over the next 5 to 10 years. The best way for them to do that really is to focus on our pasture, which is at the core of our system, and make sure that we're using our pasture efficiently. The inputs we put on our pastures are only what we need, and that we use technology such as our own forage value index in terms of ensuring that we replace our pastures with better pastures. Well, in the next 10 years, I think it's very important to follow our dairy exporters because they are growing our industry offshore, which is going to be important for us. Internally, it's going to be very important to focus on the challenges we have around our environmental issues and to make sure that we solve those in a way that doesn't interfere with our competitiveness.